So meaningful partner is very important. As a founder, you should determine who is the right or who is a meaningful partner. You know, in doing the business, there are many kind of partners. If you don't have to start everything by yourself. It's not possible with this kind of context, with disruption context. For example, if I am manufacturer, if I were to do two things in one time, marketing, sales, manufacturing, it will be a headache, and it will be not possible to reach the goal. So what I do is that I cooperate, I partner with the company that I can connect the dots. You know, I have the dots, but I have to connect it. Those who have markets, those who have like experience in R&D. So I don't have to start everything from scratch.
Okay.
And also in the capital also raising, it's very important. If you were to wait until you have the money and start everything by yourself, I think with this kind of fast disruption, it would be not possible. Not possible.
So I mean, you're sharing that raising funds from VCs, for example, is not hostile. It is okay to share the huge cake, bits and pieces of it, and turn it into a bigger cake, right?
Exactly.
So it's okay to share. It's okay to dilute your shares.
Exactly.
And this is what was brought up yesterday.
Yeah.
When we speak about these investment